Crockpot recipes, how to make homemade hot apple cider in your slow cooker. Today's slow cooker recipe is sponsored by Freshjax. Freshjax organic spices is linked down in the description link below. When you purchase 2 large bottles or one of their gift sets, they will donate a meal to a child who is hungry to help prevent childhood hunger. Their social activism to preventing childhood hunger is amazing. In addition to their clean ingredients in the organic spices, we use all of their organic spices for all of our meal prep videos and slow cooker videos. Okay, first thing that you're going to go ahead and do is wash your fruit. We're going to need 12 apples and 1 orange. Go ahead and take some white vinegar, put it in a large stock pot, fill your stock pot up with the fruit, and then also completely filled with water, and add 1 cup of the white vinegar on top of it. You're not going to want to use actual apple cider vinegar because it will smell like dirty feet. So use the white vinegar, put it in there, let it soak for over 3 hours, and that will get off any sort of chemicals on the exterior of your fruits. If your fruit, like these apples, have brown patches on them, don't look super good, totally okay. Just cut them off, and then the interior of the fruit, as long as it's good, that's going to be perfect for your hot apple cider homemade recipe for the slow cooker. So I'm simply going to go ahead and take these off. I'm going to take my 1 orange that I have, cut it into little pieces, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill my slow cooker up with water over the line of the fruit, and then add in there 2 to 3 tablespoons of the Freshjax maple cinnamon spice. I'm going to link that down below for you. When you get 2 bottles of any of their spices or their gift set, they will donate a meal to prevent childhood hunger. So we have all of our fruit in there, our water, our 2 to 3 tablespoons of our maple cinnamon seasoning from Freshjax. We're going to put that on low on our slow cooker and cook it for 4 to 5 hours. If you want to cook this on high, you're going to rob yourself of the delicious smell, but you could cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours. We're basically going to make this amazing slow cooker recipe for your hot apple cider. It's going to make your apartment smell delicious. That in itself is, you don't need to buy Yankee candles. You got your own delicious smells that come from this. But so that's the finished product of what it's going to look like after you cook it in your slow cooker. So go ahead and mash up. I'm using a ladle or a big spoon. Literally mash up the pieces of the apple and the orange together. This is going to help infuse all of the delicious flavors together. Spin it around, let it sit on for about another 20 or 30 minutes, and then go ahead and take a cheesecloth or coffee filters. I used 4 to 5 coffee filters because I didn't have any. I ran out of cheesecloth. This is real life here. So scoop out the big chunks. You're going to want to separate your liquid from the big chunks, and then go ahead and put your liquid and strain it through your cheesecloth or your coffee filter. This will take maybe 5 minutes total. It does not take long at all to strain it out. I'm just simply showing you how you could do 1 cup at a time if you felt so inclined. But if you mass did it, you would have a huge quantity of your apple cider. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe to see all things apartment living. And also make sure you go ahead and order your Freshjax organic spices down in the description link below. If you want to see other slow cooker or recipes, we'll see you on the next playlist video. Make it a powerful day, friends. Bye.